Yeah, welcome. We'll continue from where we stopped. We want to go into Excel fully. I'm going to try to create a table with all the things we have here. Okay. Yeah. So by using all these home buttons that are here, there's one with the scissors called which is cut. Once you select the cell, you can just click on the option on your Excel cut, then you go to location where you want to put it and paste. Just click on the yeah, you see it has moved. With cut, it moves everything entirely. You can see the row if you press this back arrow, it take us back to what we did before the content moved to column C or C2, the address C2. So we select, click on cut, go to location where you want to put it, pay, click on paste. It moves everything totally. So that's what cut does. Then copy. What copy does is to duplicate. So for example, if I want to duplicate this cell somewhere else, so I'll just I'll click on the cell and click on copy, then move to the cell I want to copy it to put paste. Then see it has duplicated it, unlike cut that removed everything total. So we're going to use cut again. We'll click on column and click on cut, go to cell D2 as the one directly under column, and then we'll paste. See, done. Now let me quickly do the same thing for the rest. So control, we just cut, and the shortcut for cut is Control X. Hold Control down on your keyboard and X, then you go and use Control and V to paste. Yeah, so I just want to arrange them into a table quickly. Come here, paste. Now, what we see here, you see in the each cell has its own borders. So when what you put in the cell exceeds the border, the content of the cell will not be fully visible unless you look at it from the formula bar. So how do we fix that? You see, like I said, they all have borders. If you come to the column, the border of the column to the right, you see once you put your cursor there, the icon for the mouse changes from this robust plus to or cross sign to a thinner but dark cross sign with arrows on the other side. You can either hold the cursor down while it's displaying that cross and extend, drag it to the right to review what is under. Or if I Control Z here, Control Z is to go back, just as the same thing that this arrow up here does to undo. So we can just click twice, quick tap, double tap on the edge, and then it will resize it automatically. So now that we've done that, let's quickly give these. You can see what we have here are the factory design borders that are faint, transparent, barely visible. But if we want to turn this into an Excel table, we have to go to the next column, the next box after the clipboard here. We have the font, highlight all the cells together, then go to this bottom, the border, and you can give it all borders. See, everything has borders. So this is becoming a defined Excel table now. So that's how to use cut, copy, and paste. Now, let's quickly use Format Painter. Format Painter, what does it do? Let's highlight all the cells, these 6 cells, and then click on Format Painter. You see, it started showing rings as if it's a copy function. Then you come to where you want to paste the format. You can see that the borders we just added to this cells has been replicated here. So that is what Format Painter does. It replicates borders and fonts. Let's really give this one's font. You can give it a yellow background. See, it's a yellow cell color, and then give it